I want to ask this because I think, and we touched on this before, is that law firms who decide to go niche don't know how to charge higher prices yet for their specialized services. So do you have any advice for law firms on how to, I'm going to say, justify their higher prices to their prospective clients?
First, let me think about it from a PI perspective. So typically, and there's some hybrid versions, you got your pre-lit firms, the heavy volume, they're not trying a ton of cases, and then you've got your trial attorneys. The pre-lit firm is mostly marketing to B2C consumers. The trial firms typically are marketing to their peers for referrals. If you're a litigating firm and you can get maximum value, it's a great idea to niche and be seen and perceived as an expert because you stand out. And if someone's thinking of giving a referral, they're going to think of that individual because they know that individual can get more value than what they could themselves. I always use this example. Joe Freed, nationwide trucking attorney. He only does truck accidents. And he knows the instruction manuals inside and out. He knows he's done more. Who knows how many truck accidents he's done. David Craig, Munley is another. There's like 3 or 4 of these individuals that really specialize in trucking. They're going to get more value. They don't even have to raise their fees. They're going to get more value. They're going to draw in these referrals from the biggest truck accidents. So just through the nature of niching and being an expert, you're going to get more value. Now, on the flip side, let's say you're a criminal defense attorney or a family law attorney. Even the family law attorney that does the celebrity divorces, like, they're willing to pay more to get it right. There's this perception of experience that they're paying for. Like, you're a new family law attorney. Maybe you haven't had these reps for these big individual cases, but this person has, and I'm willing to pay that extra for the experience. And I've even heard this. I was reading this book, and I can't remember. I think it was in a book, and it was like there was something broke at this construction site, and this guy come over and spends a little time analyzing it, comes over and he swings a hammer one time and he fixes it. And he's like, that'll be $2,000. And he's like, you're not paying me for the swing of the hammer. You're paying for all the other times and the experience of me knowing where to swing the hammer. And that's the same effect whether you're doing these massive DUI cases or divorces. That's the way that you have to look. There's perception there of experience and value.